Okay, I don't think I have ever seen a garage so disgusting and cluttered. Check this out. We're gonna clean you today. You can do this in one day, y'all. So we got this tote rack from Costco. It's on sale right now for $199, and I'm gonna put this thing together. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is get all of your pieces and make sure everything is there, and I lined these up in the order that they go. I have all of my screws and tools to use. So if you've got one of these things and you're putting these together, please listen to me carefully. You do not want to screw these in very tightly. You wanna make sure that they're really loose. Now this is the bottom piece and it went together super easy. You just put those 2 bolts at the top and the 2 at the bottom, and then just use your hand to screw those in. Do not screw these in tightly. Make sure they can wiggle around a little bit. Now I didn't have a problem putting the bottom together, but keep watching because that top piece is tricky. So go ahead and screw those into the other side. And then you're just gonna screw those foot pieces into place. And again, super easy, no problems here, but keep watching. So when you're putting this together, you're gonna want to put the end pieces in first. So I didn't have any problems here. I'm just screwing that in, leaving a little wiggle room. Put the other side on so you have a firm base to work with. All right, so here's where I started running into some problems. As I'm putting in the next piece, this one I don't have too much trouble with, but this one, it would not go in, y'all. I was getting so frustrated. I tried to use the Allen wrench to get it in there. It just would not go in, and I just had about had it. So I worked on this for about 10-15 minutes, and then I decided to go ahead and screw it in at the bottom first. So I go ahead and I screw it in at the bottom, and then I go back and try and put that top piece in, and it went in like butter. So I suggest screwing the ones in the bottom first and then into the top. All right, so go ahead and just put the rest of the pieces in there, and then we get to that top piece. I am telling you guys, this thing would not go together, and this has nothing to do with the rest of the assembly because it's 2 detached pieces. They would not fit together. I tried everything. So I put in the top first, then I tried putting in the bottom first, and then I went ahead and I turned this thing on the side so I could see it a little bit better, and these pieces are just not fitting together. So I've got it laying down flat here, and I got this one in, and I went ahead and put those bolts in really loosely, and then I go around to the other side and it is just not going in. So I didn't have a rubber hammer, so I put a towel right there and I just tapped it right into place. So just make sure you even up those holes before you tap it in. Now go ahead and attach that top piece, and I did this from the top, and then I went ahead and I flipped it over so I could see it a little bit better because it was really hard to see where the holes were. Now we're attaching the X on the back to keep this nice and steady. Make sure you stack all 4 of these on top of each other and put that middle screw in first, and then just go ahead and put the rest of the bolts in. Now lift that sucker up and tighten the screws. So I got my Ryobi drill with the Allen wrench, and that was super easy. Now I just need to clean up this garage, go to Costco and get 8 more bins. They're only $6 right now. So here it is all clean. I'm so happy. This was a Father's Day present to my fiance, and he really, really liked it. Now we just need to get rid of that treadmill that nobody uses. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.